Good morning, students. Continuation of chapter A Horse is a Must. In previous class, we discussed about horse and different kinds of horses. Now, today we will discuss some exercises of this chapter that are fill in the blanks and true or false. Let's proceed ahead. First exercise is with the help of words given in the help box, fill in the blanks to form meaningful sentences. My dear students, in this exercise, you are given help box. From the help box, you have to find out correct word and fill in the blanks. Let's see. First question. A horse is a dash when a family lives in it. What is correct answer? Flat, home, protects, caravan. Choose correct word. Yes, correct word is home. A house is a home when a family lives in it. Now, coming next. A horse on wheels is called a dash. What is correct answer? Caravan. Yes, very good. Students, we have already learned in previous class that a caravan is a horse on wheels. So, correct answer is caravan. Now, come in. See. Horses in warm places have dash roofs. What is correct answer? Flat or protects? Yes, correct answer is flat. Horses in warm places have flat roofs. Do you know why? It is because flat roofs horse keep cool in summer. Now coming question number D. A horse dashes from cold and correct answer is protects. A horse protects us from cold. Now we will discuss exercise 2, that is write true or false against each statement. Students, here in this exercise you are given some statement. You have to first read carefully these statement and you have to write true with true statement and false with false statement. Let's see. First number, horses do not keep us safe. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false. Horses keep us safe. So it is false statement. Here you will write false. Now coming next, we all live in different kinds of horses. Yes, it is true statement. Now coming next, a tent floats on water. No, it is false statement. What is true? A houseboat floats on water. So, it is false statement. You will write here false. Now come in. Next, a house is a place to live in. Yes, it is true statement. A house is a place to live in. And in this way, you have to write in notebook exercise 1, that is fill in the blanks, and exercise 2, that is true or false. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.